Homemade borax ant killer can harm painted walls and some household surfaces if applied improperly. Borax, chemically sodium borate, works by disrupting insect digestion, but it can also react with paint binders and finishes. When mixed with liquids like sugar, water, or honey, the solution can wick into porous paints, matte finishes, and unsealed wood, causing staining, softening, or discoloration over time. To apply safely, use the smallest effective quantity and place baits on a barrier such as a ceramic saucer, plastic lid, or folded wax paper to prevent direct contact with walls or fabrics. Always test the mixture on an inconspicuous spot and wait 24 hours to check for color change, softening, or residue before wider use. If you spill, blot the area immediately with a dry cloth and then wipe gently with a solution of mild dish soap and warm water. Avoid aggressive scrubbing that could remove paint. For stubborn residue, use a diluted vinegar solution on non-stone surfaces, rinse with water, and dry thoroughly to prevent further interaction with the finish. Common mistakes include applying the bait directly to walls, which leads to stains or seepage. Prevent this by using contained bait stations or elevated trays. Another issue is leaving visible residues on countertops or wood where liquids can cause finish dulling. Clean spills promptly with mild soap and avoid abrasive cleaners that strip sealers. A third concern is using high concentration or acidic mixtures that can etch or soften certain paints and varnishes. Use low concentration borax mixes and always pretest so you do not damage visible surfaces. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and share practical homeowner advice related to DIY treatments like borax ant baits. Our community discussion boards let us exchange real experiences and tips so homeowners and contractors can learn what works and what to avoid.